Hello, Vanakkam, welcome back to Fusion Entertainment. Today we got a breakthrough news which will bring back our life to normal. Like you can go back to school, you can go back to theatre, auditoriums, office, anywhere you want. Do you ask how? It is because of a device which is invented by a Bangalore-based company in India, which is called Scale-in Hypercharged Corona Canon, or you can call it as ShycoCam. This device neutralizes coronavirus which is in the room. And how it does? Imagine coronavirus, a protein coated cell which has positive potential. This positive potential cell will be searching for a negative potential cell to connect. So the cells in our body has negative potential. So when it finds those cells, it will attach to those cells and release DNA to replicate itself. So what does this device do is, it will flood the whole room with negatively charged electrons, just the electrons. So this coronavirus might not know that whether it is a cell or electron, anything. It just want to attach to negative potential cells. So what it does is, it will get attached to electrons in the air and it will lose its potency. Even if it enters our body, after losing its potency, it won't be able to replicate itself in our body. So by this we can stop the spread of coronavirus. Actually this device was invented long before coronavirus was in existence. This was actually focused for common cold or flu-like viruses. In March it had applied for FDA approval. Now FDA in US has approved this device. Now it will move for manufacturing stage. So after it is manufactured, we can go back to school, colleges, anywhere you want. This is the happiest news I have heard after so long time. So even with a COVID-19 patient in a room, we can be in the room and not get infected by this coronavirus. This device will help us with that. Still we are trying to collect some more information about this device, like how it works, how much time does it take to neutralize the virus, or how many days does it take to get manufactured, how much will it cost. Everything I'll be collecting and uploading in our channel. So stay tuned with Fusion Entertainment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get further notifications from our channel, so you will stay connected with the coronavirus news. Thanks for watching.